Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes, called sperm and ovum respectively. These gametes are produced in specialized organs called gonads, such as the testes in males and ovaries in females. The fusion of sperm and ovum results in the formation of a zygote, a diploid cell that carries genetic information from both parents. Fertilization can occur internally within the female's body or externally in the environment. Amphibians like frogs rely on external fertilization. The female lays eggs, often in a stringy, jelly-like substance, in water. The male then releases sperm over the eggs, allowing fertilization to occur in the external environment. To increase the chances of survival, amphibians produce a large number of eggs, as many are eaten by predators or succumb to environmental changes. The jelly-like substance provides protection from predators, helps with aeration, and keeps the eggs buoyant. Internal fertilization occurs in reptiles, birds, and mammals. The male introduces sperm into the female's body, where fertilization takes place. Internal fertilization offers greater protection to the gametes and developing embryo. Fewer eggs are produced as the chances of fertilization are higher. In some mammals, chameleons, and snakes, the fertilized eggs develop internally, and young are born live, viviparous. This provides additional protection and nourishment during development. Birds engage in courtship behavior to attract mates of the same species. This can involve elaborate displays, songs, or dances. The male bird mounts the female, and copulation occurs, leading to internal fertilization of the eggs within the female's body. The fertilized eggs develop in the oviduct, acquiring albumin, egg white, and a protective shell before being laid. The shell membrane lines the shell, providing additional protection. The yolk is a nutrient-rich sphere that provides nourishment to the developing embryo. The airspace at the top of the upright egg provides air to the embryo as it grows. The chalazae are twisted cords that hold the yolk and membrane in place, ensuring the embryo stays upright. The albumin is a thickened fluid that cushions and protects the embryo. The amnion is a sac-like structure that secretes waste products and contains oxygen to the embryo. The allantois is a sac-like structure that stores waste products and contains oxygen to the embryo. The yolk sac surrounds the yolk, providing a reservoir of nutrients for the embryo. The umbilical stalk is a connection between the embryo and the yolk sac and allantois, allowing for nutrient and waste exchange. Amphibians, like frogs, toads, and salamanders, typically rely on external fertilization. The male amphibian releases sperm over the eggs laid by the female in the water. Fertilization occurs externally, as the sperm meets the eggs in the water. The eggs are often laid in clusters, providing a higher chance of fertilization and survival. Mammals have internal fertilization, where the egg is fertilized inside the female's body. In most mammals, the fertilized egg develops into a young one inside the female's uterus. This is called viviparity. Some mammals, like the platypus and echidna, are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. These eggs are incubated until the young hatch. Insects reproduce sexually through internal fertilization. After fertilization, the female lays eggs that hatch into larvae. Larvae undergo metamorphosis, a process of transformation, to become adults. Human reproduction involves two mature individuals, male and female. Each has gonads that produce sex cells, sperm and eggs. These gametes fuse during fertilization, creating a zygote that develops into a baby. Sperm and egg fuse to form a zygote. The zygote develops into a